This is the real Mantafaja in the waterland. Wow, Awokple. So the whole family will sit around this, then we eat together. So eating like this always brings unity among the family. It's not like go and bring your plate, you bring your plate and all those stuff. So the whole family gathering, everybody eat together, and that will also even avoid poisoning someone, food poisoning. Because we are eating together, so how can you poison me? You can't. That's how you can poison me. You see that thing? So it's a kind of way that some of Ghanaians need to learn this, and we start developing it in our local homes and in our homes as well. Because eating together brings unity and love. Because if you hate me, you can't dine with me. So since we are dining together, meaning there's love amongst us. We are grinding our pepper on the stone, yeah? So this is a rare African style, back to our roots. Yeah, so I have my coconut over here, and this is water. I will kube. I will kube. Okay. Hello, but the cook Yeah, I've seen the waterland, and I'm in Kita, yeah, from Sindaco to Kita, and we're about to prepare one of the local dish. Here, the Awokple is one of the main source or one of the main food that they eat, but they eat with other stuffs like soup, and they have different kinds of accompaniment. Yeah. So today's food is Awokple with hot pepper and small or salted fish like Kobe, yeah, and some dry fish. You are now, my friends.
Awokple flag bamataji.
Awokple ketejeng makblaji. Is that it?
Awokple agbamataji.
Awokple ta agbamataji. Any baby do I say there. Let's do this. Awokple for the power pin. Yeah, it's night already. You see the sunset over there. Yeah, and very soon I need to light up the lights, so the video will change from this to darkness. Yeah. So this is Awokple. So it's corn dough with cassava dough mixed together. Yes. So it's like banku. Yes. But our version. Okay. Yeah. So one thing is that Africa, we are blessed with so many things. You just pass behind the house, you get some fruit, coconut or other. Yeah. So we have our old boy over here. He just went at the backyard and he brought some coconuts. Yeah. Oh, okay. So Mr. Left, sorry, Mr. Left. Yeah. So I have my coconut over here, and this is water. I will kube. I will kube. Okay. Before we die, I'm sipping my coconut juice over here. Yeah, so every region and how they prepare their food, and this is their version of their binku with hot pepper and a bit of Kobe, salted fish, and smoked fish as well. So this evening, I swear, I like to lie. I like to Matama, hey, they top radio back Awokple. Yeah, so as you see, we have Davi. It's about to stay up, and Efo boom. Echo. It is what it is. Yeah, so it's night already, but you have to do this. It's about to go damn. What I've noticed over here is, I think this waterland, they have the pot for the binkus. They're all small. The cat, they all the kabibio. So this is our papushito, the green pepper. Yeah, that's what we're using for the hot pepper sauce. Yeah, and we have some fresh tomatoes over here as well. So this is where we'll be grinding our pepper. Yeah, so still tradition goes on. Old style, old method. Yeah, no blender. Awokple. Okay, so that's the salt, local salt. You see how big it is, yeah? Yeah, so interesting stuff, and we are grinding our pepper on the stone, yeah? So So this is a real African style, back to our roots, the natural way and the authentic way of grinding pepper. Banchendo was say isa.
Belly model sugualo. Amokalo katanu deka.
Mexican, okay.
E kakeka fi mi a mix ya belly model sugwa amokwa. Alokata
the same size.
The same size.
Okay.
So the corn is not the dough, it's the powder. Corn flour.
A corn flour.
Mix it with cassava dough.
Already, it's not separate.
No.
So it's the all flour.
So this is not banku, this is awokple.
So the two are flour?
No, cassava dough and corn flour.
Okay. Okay.
The dried corn.
Okay. After stirring a bit, they close it for the heat to cook the corn or the dough. Yeah. So they close for like 5 to 7 minutes just for the heat to close to cook it. This onion is for the garnishing of our delicious grounded pepper. Yeah. Yeah. So after 7 minutes of covering and adding water to it, now you can see that you can't see much of the white. Meaning the heat is cooking Awokple, our Awokple. In the background you have some areas of bubble going on over there. And we have tomatoes also for the garnishing, of the pepper. Over here too, we have some smoked fish, and this is what do you call this? What's the name?
Ngogba.
We have ngogba fish. Alenji ngogba. And Empire. Jojivi.
Shabi.
Shabi. We feel Shashi on a footballer. Shabi. Shabi Alonso on a footballer.
Jojivi.
Fifi. Joji. Yeah, so. As ongoing, we have our fish displayed over here, and you've heard the name Jovi Fifi, Awi Fifi, Jovi Fifi, Shabi, Impai, Ainji, Ngubai.
Kafa.
Okay, Kafa no chica cried. Yeah. So the names are interesting over here. Almost every name has V or G or yeah. So this is our garnishing for the pepper. Yeah. And this is the pepper over here. Okay. This is how we'll be roasting the Jovi Fifi, and like typical local stuff. Yeah, you don't need aroma neba and mamma mia. With this and the pepper, trust me, no fat. So we have some small tilapia. Yeah, the small boys. Hey, let them make chili fucking. The aroma anyway, I'm an atmosphere in scent night different. Hey! Yes, so after roasting the fish, he will add the fish inside salted water. But I told you the count would be with you.
Marco, Abani, Mukata, and many Adam. No one need taste to give it
more taste. Yes. But when it's short 100 and sauce.
No. This was winning and chili.
It's on okay.
So this one was dried raw.
Yeah, okay, dried fish, okay. But over there, the small Kobe's over here are sorted already. Yeah,
Jalamo.
So this is the pato green.
Yeah, pato green. Pato green. Pato green. Wow.
Is the small tilapia.
So this kind of food, you don't need that much money to spend, but at the end, you have a good meal.
This Taganang Baraka.
Okay, so now it's the benku is ready. I'm a plan. It's not ready. So our metal brake has been taken off. That's the anchor. Benku anchor. So here, what they just told me is like they put everything together and they eat together. Wow. For the power pen. Yeah, so wow. Yeah, so here I saw the same thing in Sindaco. When they put the fish inside the pepper, they try to sink it or soak it inside so that the fish will be able to absorb the flavor of the pepper. Yeah. So that's what she's doing over here. So meaning all the vegetarians have the same kind of skills, yeah? Our dad here, Efo Kukuvi, right?
Efo Koku.
Okay, so this is Efo Kukuvi, and he Efo Kuku. Kwaku. Okay, so Efo Kwaku. He's a fisherman, so he goes to sea and what's your name?
I've been lucky in Elena.
Bobby Taji.
Yeah, Bobby.
There.
Okay, so he's a fisherman, and as he said, the kind of fish that he goes for is the bobby. I don't know those fish, but if you know those fish, and he sells them as well. Yeah, so if you want to do business about this kind of fish, you can contact him, and I think that what you want to deliver, right? Jotombi.
For my quabe journey. And another number.
What number?
0241.
Okay, so
0241.
Okay, so 0241 80 76 444. Okay, so that's Efo Kwaku's number. If you want, what's the name of the fish? Dei, Bobby, and Diado, yeah. Ajivi, Jeffy Nuvi, all those fish, yeah. If you know them, yeah, he'll do everything and he'll take it to Bass and you are crying as a taquad or wherever it is, yeah. Yeah, so see how garnishing the things looks like, yeah. Yeah, so this is our smoked fish, and the bones were taken off, splayed on top of our pepper sauce, yeah, hot pepper sauce. Yeah, so this is a typical local food in the water region, Kita precisely, yeah. I mean the Kita at the moment, and the whole place is dark because it's night already. We didn't start cooking early, and I still need to do this, yeah. So I'm about to enjoy myself. Yeah, so as I said earlier, everything is family gathering, and it's about to go down. Yeah, it's our dinner or supper. Wow. But you want to find something, right? And see me. What is it to me? And see the salt. And see, I can say. Okay. So you feel like there's no salt in the bamboo. Yeah, there's no salt in it. Yeah, because you can feel the cassava and the dough. Wow. Esse é savoir. É cacavo. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so I'm enjoying myself. I'm seeing the waterland, discovering food, the waterland. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook as well. Cooking Sindaco. Let's meet again for Shizm and Nizzle. Yeah? I'm out. Akele, what do you call it? I'm a pligi. Ketaji, okay.
I'm a plank Ketaji.
Yeah, I'm a plank Ketaji. Akele no. Anyway, the whole squad. If we could, we feel I'm a circle. Okay, yeah. So David and if we Kaku, Akple, okay.